Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome once again to Sharif Technologies YouTube channel. As you all know what we've been doing here, in today's video we are going to look on how we can access Canva Pro version without purchasing it. So without wasting much time, let us get into the video. So first of all, you have to launch your favorite browser. So in this case, I'll launch my Phoenix browser here, and I'll leave a link under the description, so you click on that link or you copy it and paste it on your favorite browser. So it takes you to this page that you have been invited to this team. So here you tap on continue with Google. Make sure the Gmail account you are going to use is not registered with Canva already. So if your current Gmail account is registered with Canva already, you have to first of all create a different one before going through this thing. So here I continue with Google. Alright, so you can see it is alright. So welcome to Canva for Teams. So here you tap on got it, this page, and over here you can see I've signed up with this account and I'm on Canva right now. You can see the name over there. So over here, let us try any template that is on a pro version and see whether let us any template at all that is having the crown on it, so that we can see whether we are able to use the pro version or we are still restricted. So let us look for any of these templates that is having the crown on it. Right, so over here, let us tap on any of these templates that is having the crown this thing on it. So you can see this one is having a crown on it. So let us, you can see this one here, it is having crown. So let us tap on it and see whether they will ask us to purchase before. So you can see here that you are now on Canva Pro without any purchase. So guys, you are on Canva Pro now. I'll leave the link under the description of this video so that you guys can access it. So this is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Also like and share this video for others to also benefit from it. Thank you.